You cannot give importance only to your emotion. Oh, I have to visit my friend. My friends are coming today. So all the time you spend your time with your friends, the other three factors suffer. If you give too much of importance to your studies, then other three factors suffer. And if you give importance too much for spiritual life, for prayer, other three suffers. There has to be a balance, which is very important. And today's first and the third reading give us instructions on this. In the first reading we heard, Abraham was at Mamre in a tent. He was sitting outside a tent. Probably it was too hot inside. And he saw at a distance 3 men are coming towards him. He didn't know them. They were strangers to him. And yet when they came closer, he greets them, he calls them, makes them to sit down under the tree, runs inside, tells his life partner Sarah, prepare bread. Then he brings a young tender calf, gives to his servant and says, prepare a meal. And when everything is ready, he places the meal before the 3 men. And he stands there, just listening to them. Abraham must have realized these 3 men are not ordinary people. The Lord has visited me in the form of these 3 men. So he was there. And before those men left, they asked him, where is your wife Sarah? He says, she is inside in the tent. Then the Lord says, next year, by this time, you will have a son. So Abraham took care of the bodily needs of those 3 men. He took care of the emotional needs of those men by giving hospitality and friendship. He profited from their conversation, though it is not recorded in the Bible. He profited from it. And finally, he was blessed by the Lord. So he got the spiritual blessing. There was a perfect balance in Abraham's life.